Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Let's introduce myself. My name is Kanda Zamrana. You can call me Kanda. I'm from Nanggit. And then today, I'm sitting in front of you all. I want to giving information about Australian country. But before that, first of all, let's pray and thanks to Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala who has given us some blessing so we can attend and gather in this place in good condition and happy situation. Secondly, my peace and salutation has been given to our Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has guided us from the era to the Islam religion. Okay, so let's go to the first. We are now to Australia. Introduction is Australia is a country and a continent located in the south hemisphere between an Indian Ocean and then Pacific Ocean. So Australia is the location on the earth is in the south. And then the full name of Australia is Commonwealth of Australia, and then the capital city is Canberra, and then type of government is Prime Minister. And then the official language of Australia is English, of course, and then the currency is Australian dollar. And then Australia is a large country in the south of the world, and then it's a stunning nature, unique wildlife, and diverse culture. Okay, we are must know the background of Australia. Australia is a country and a continent located in the south hemisphere. It's mean in the south of Earth, and then it was first inhabited by a human people over 60,000 years ago. In 1770, Capital James Cook claimed for it for Britain. So before Australian made, James Cook claimed it for a Britannia, maybe in UK. And then in 1901, Australian became an independent nation. So in 1900, Australian is become a nation. And then today, it's now it's a beautiful nature, unique animals, and multicultural society. So in Australia, we can see there is many unique animals like kangaroos, koala, and others. And then multicultural society, which is so many tourists go to Australia to healing. Okay. Then we go to the capital city of Australia. Australia is capital city. There is three. Capital city of Australia is Canberra, but the biggest cities are Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. So Canberra is the capital city of Australia in the South Australia. So the city there is the iconic things that is Opera House, and then but the biggest cities in Australia there is Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. So Sydney and Melbourne this is a popular city and many tourists go to Sydney and Melbourne. Okay, and the major cities of Australia there is three. Like I said before, there is Sydney, Melbourne, and Brisbane. Sydney is famous for its opera house. So in the Sydney there is opera house in the near of the near of the like road, and then Melbourne is about it's a art of coffee. So when you go to Melbourne, so many people just want a drinking of coffee because coffee in Melbourne, let's say, is very good and very nice. So Brisbane is a warm weather. So when you go to Brisbane is a north of Australia, and in Brisbane, like there is moon and many that make this is warm. And then we go to the nature and climate. So I have three things that you must know from Australia. So the first is Australia has many different climates, from tropical in the north to cooler in the south. So in the north of Australia, there is so cooler, so tropical, so warm, and then in the south of Australia is so cooler because Australia is near from Europa. And then the second thing is it's famous for a great berry reef, Uluru, and white desert called its outback. So like the picture in here, this is uh, outback. So this is like mountain, but in the between of like savannah. And then Uluru is like monument in a city. And then many things like Great Barrier and White Desert. And then the third is you can find many unique animals like kangaroos, koala, and platypus. So like Australian called is kangaroo, nation of kangaroo. In Australian, national of the animals is kangaroos, koala, and platypus. So kangaroos is in Australia is so many like in Lake Buru, like in here so many the home. And then let's go to the iconic things of Australia. So I have maybe 4 or 5 iconic things that you must know in Australia. There is Opera House. So Opera House is in Sydney. The building is like this. It's so very unique because near from the beach, and then inside of this maybe there's a club, and then restaurant, and then hotel and others. So in Opera House you can healing, and when you want to go to here, this is may so like rich, and you must get many money. And then second is iconic things again. Like I said before, this is there's animals. There is animals. The first is kangaroos and this and koala. Okay. So next is Gareth Berry Reef, one of the world's nature wonder. So in Australia, in the wait, there is like uh Gareth Berry Reef. So this is like so many fish in here, and the looks is good for hearing you in Australia. And then the last is maybe ocean barbecue culture and surfing lifestyle. So Australian people have a unique culture. There's two. The first is them like barbecue. So when afternoon and when night, Australian people is like barbecue with the family. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, come back again with me, and today I'm studying with you all with education about my best project in 3 years in academic school. So just let's go to this. Okay, before that, let's introduce myself. My name is Kang Zamulana. You can know me Chandra, and I'm we started as a primary school, especially in Indonesia. And then my age is 15 and I'm from Tangerang. And my hobby is playing sport, like everything with it. And then my dream is to be a web developer. Okay, let's just go to my project, my best project at 7th grade. So my best project at 7th grade is the Defender. The Defender is a game that you create on Scratch when you were in 7th grade, and it became your best project at the times. It's the game, and the player attack as a defender who must step enemies before they reach the protect. And use the best is Scratch, Twitter is as movement, control block, and construction detection to make the character is move, shoot, and increase the slot. This project show you early skill in programming logic, game design, and creativity, even as in 7th grade student. So Uh, defender is like going to uh, protect the barrier, so that is the enemy that you can. So I will show you the game. So this is game defender. So the sprite there is like tank, and then the bullet I'm using 3 bullet, and then there is 3 step. There is easy, medium, and hard. So then we play first. First, just go easy. So right now will very easy. So we can like use your bullet. So like this. Okay. Later in here there is the boss will spawn when, and then there's the life, and then there's score. If score already 20, the boss automatically will spawn and like that. Okay. Continue to the best project in Encrypt. My best project in Encrypt is product like for Instagram post, and I did this design consisting of connecting Instagram posts using Figma, where each slide is visual blend together when viewed. I focus on consistent color, like always using purple and gray, and then typography, and then composition and graphic element to make the final shot look clean, concise, and visual effects. So in this design, I not too many put the asset because I will using typography for clean the design. And then for me, this is one of my best design, as it show my creativity and my ability to create a professional look layout. So this design about resource that I made for my Instagram post, and let's see the design first. So this is the design I made with Canva. So the first is there is the one page, there is promotion, kenalan dengan desain yuk, and then there is the pengertian, and then like this, and then inside of this design I explain about design and others. So and then in the last page I promotion about my courses. There's between daftar UI courses. Okay, with that, and then this is I not too many input the element or asset inside of my design. Okay, continue to the best project and so my best project at 900 is that I make now. That is the dashboard Islami. So I had this Islamic dashboard in 900 using VS Code, and becoming a most challenging project I have ever worked, because the coding is such was complex and required a lot of problem solving. So when I make this, there is so many problems that I have because the coding is error maybe and bugging, and then I had to manage the layout, filter logic, and prepare placement of the element to make everything work smoothly. So in here, I adding some like filter that is like doa, zakat, jadwal sholat, and video kajian. And then there is like the time of for praying, and then many others. And then I understanding and performing program difficult. So let's see the code first. Okay, in here is so many and so long the code. So this is the code of this is the code of the pad. So we can click in here. So in the first page of my
like next quote Islami. In like there is like jadwal salat, and then there's the kecamatan Jonggol, and then there's the fitur-fitur that you can click, and then there's the instruction about poster inspirasi. That inside of poster is this is about hari kiamat, and then this is ketaatan dalam Islam. So the first is we can click in doa. So instead of the doa, we can search doa pagi and malam, doa rumah, doa makan dan minum, perjalanan, sholat, dan etika baik. So inside of these 6 things, there is so many doa again that you can use it for your daily activity. And then we continue to the zakat. So at the zakat, there's you can input your zakat from your harta in here, and then when you already input, there is the nominal that you must pay for your zakat. Example like this. Nah, this the nominal is 25,000, and then you can buy this zakat from your harta. And then you can continue again to jadwal salat. Okay. Wait. Okay. Jadwal salat, there is like the dream date of today, Selasa 18 November 2025, and then there is the place that we in here. There is Bogor in Indonesia. So there is 5 times prayer. There is Zuhur, Asar, dan Isya. So this is using that real time. So when every day is will be changed like that. Okay. And then last is my certificate. This is my certificate in Nanjat. So I already have collect for certificate. The 2 in Bisaya and 2 in Solo. So the first is about Internet of Things, and then the second is data literally with AI, and the third is data analytic with AI, and last is about management. And then maybe that's all from me about my best project in 9 and in last my 3 years in IDN Body School. And then maybe my course is you must work hardly for your future. And then maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I mistake. As I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today the interview for the last project. So later combine 3 video ya. So interview for the last.
Okay.
And could you please introduce yourself, your complete name?
Okay. Before that, hello guys, my name is Chandra Zamulana. You can call me Chandra. I am from 9th grade, especially in NC. And then my is 15 years old, and then my hobby is playing sport. There is like badminton, basket, and futsal. Okay. And then
What?
what again is that?
That's all.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay. So what kind of person you are? What kind of person?
What kind of person?
Yeah. Do you know about your strength and your weakness?
Oh, maybe for me, if there is like how to say masalah,
Problem.
this problem for me is like more easy to
To
solve.
solve.
Yes, and then uh,
And you always feel so for the problems, yeah. Just stay calm
yes,
Yeah.
calm
and solve the problem.
Yes.
Okay, so but your weakness?
and weakness is maybe like not always focus when study
Why?
because like for me it's like more easy to boring when study,
Okay.
so I mostly feel lazy.
Okay. What will you do when you feel boring?
Maybe like talking with my friend, and I
Not looking for others' information, maybe like when you
oh
feel
yeah,
free in this time, so you search
yeah,
the
that
information
if
about.
I using laptop it's like that, but if not using laptop is I will talking with my friend.
Okay. Not doing sport or other creativity.
Not
Okay. Now we're talking about the project and competition also.
yes.
Have you ever joined a project or competition?
Competition I ever joined for this poster design about
Design, alright.
kemerdekaan, and then I was harapan satu.
Okay. Winner, yeah. Hope winner. Okay. So, what about your teaching experience from 7 to 9?
For teaching experience, I already teaching 4 times until 9th grade. So
4 times.
yes,
Okay.
and then yeah, good lah.
Okay. Which one the most interest?
Most interest is last teaching
Okay. What and where?
in my home in SMP MTS Nur Hikmah.
Okay. Can you share the experience?
Maybe my experience is like the teaching is just 2 days.
2 days.
Yeah, and then me 3 people with my friend Izwan and Hilmi Fakih. And then yeah, when I teaching I join event for apa, there is even like for parfum, selling parfum like that. And then yeah, I buy parfum. Yeah, just it lah. And then I go to mall for healing.
Okay. In the last teaching, you teach what grade?
Teaching I teach 7 and 8.
7
7 and 8.
and 8. 2
Yes.
days. In the first day, you teach 7.
Yes, and then in the second day 8. Okay.
In the same school.
Yes,
Same school. Okay. How did you feel?
my feel is yeah good lah because not very
Very
let's
what?
say capek,
Tired.
and it's not very tired
You teach
because
alone or with him?
not with him because the audience is can what
Can use the laptop? Can operate the what?
can say nyimak dengan baik.
Okay. Pay
Yeah,
attention.
can attention because and then there is no bug.
But
Yes, the game is not bugging.
oh yeah. Okay. The internet was so good.
Yes, then maybe that's
Okay, so what did you learn from teaching experience?
Is uh,
What is it?
problem solving maybe.
Problem solving.
Yes,
Okay. How?
when
Let's
there
go.
is the bug, and then like I
Did you
think
feel the teaching is fun or difficult?
for me see fun because I have many friends
Hmm.
and the teacher is fun too
How?
and can help us for prepare.
Okay, so teaching experience run well, yeah.
Yes,
And I want to know about your dream. What is your dream?
my dream is for working in another country like in Europe
Europe,
or
become
Asia,
what?
like in German or Netherlands.
All right, so I hope you can reach your dream in the future. And could you please give a motivation, maybe?
My motivation is
That's what. Do you have some motivation or message for yourself at least?
never give up.
Never give up. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for our interview today. And good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.